Hello and happy Wednesday. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Katie and I'm with Sola Wood Flowers. Today we are going to be using this awesome wagon wheel wood cutout, and we are going to be making a super fun piece of decor. We are going to use Sola Wood Flowers, of course, and a couple types of filler. We have some faux filler, some preserved filler, and some dried filler as well. Of course, we're going to gather our supplies first. We've got our glue gun, we've got some scissors, and we are just going to start with our filler. We're going to start by taking this apart and making it into smaller bunches. With the faux filler, I pretty much always take it apart and break it down into smaller pieces. For me, I get the most bang for my buck. You can get a lot more out of it rather than leaving it in one whole piece and having it all stuck in one spot on your arrangement. So I like to break down my fillers first, and now we are going to start adding some wood flowers to our wagon wheel wood cutout. We have a few different types of flowers here. We have some bird roses that are just left raw. So we have some with the bark still on them and some without. Different sizes, different types of flowers, really just kind of mixing it up here, just using what we have. And we're kind of going for a more rustic theme. The wagon wheel definitely has that, modern farmhouse vibe to it. And so we are kind of sticking with that theme. We are just going to add a few flowers around the outside of our wagon wheel here. And we're just doing that by simply adding a little dot of glue to the back of our flowers and then pressing that down onto the wood cutout. When you're adding your flowers, you want to make sure you hold them down with that glue just for a few seconds until that glue dries a little bit and gets a little bit tacky. That way your flowers aren't just going to pop off from where you place them. Now we are going to start adding some bits of filler. Here we have a faux Dusty Miller type filler. This is one of our very favorites that we love to use. It has that soft greenish blue color that we love and goes perfectly with so many different color schemes, whether you're working with bright, vibrant colors or muted colors or even neutral tones like we're using here. We also have some of our preserved leather leaf to add some really beautiful, more vibrant green that we're going to add some little pops of that in here. And we are just kind of lifting up the edges of our flowers there and sticking the ends of the filler underneath those flowers just to kind of hide the end and where we have added the glue. We just don't want the glue showing too much on our arrangement or being, an eyesore where we've worked so hard to make it look so beautiful. Now we are going to add a little bit of dried filler here. We are just kind of peeling back petals just a little bit and just kind of getting that filler in where we want it. You can use whatever types of filler you would like for an arrangement like this. You can use faux, preserved, dried, just kind of whatever you're looking for to match the aesthetic that you're wanting to achieve. And here we have our finished wagon wheel decor. Thank you so much for joining us today, and happy crafting. And have a wonderful day and happy crafting.